So hello guys. So so I will be starting. I will be doing the first task given by the Oasis Infobyte, and the task is about the landing page. So I have made a landing page on Virat Kohli biography. So let's get started. So the thing is, we will do these things in HTML and CSS using HTML CSS. So in HTML file, we these are the basic things like doc type HTML and meta character meta name. The main thing is link rel icon. Okay. So if you want to link a icon to your tab, like whatever the tab you have named, like I have named my tab directly biography. So this image you have to insert using the link rel icon, link rel option. And for the title itself, I have given directly biography. Okay. And apart from title and the style, I have done styling in the HTML file itself, and you can either do in you can either make a separate file for styling element. In style, I will explain after this body. Okay, so in the body part where I have given the header file as directly biography, I have created a navigation elements to navigate through different sections of the pages, so that uh, it can be useful for the viewer, or it will increase the viewer uh, description intuition of it. So the thing is, I made a navigation for biography, achievements, Twitter, and Instagram. And after the navigation, I have started a division class container. In the container itself, I have inserted some biography about Virat Kohli, what he has achieved, where he has lived, and what when he was born and when he became the Team Indian captain. So these the basic things I have written in this biography and in the class container. And this class container I will explain in the style section. And in the class itself, we will use when we go through the styling process. Whenever we are using class, so for class we have to use dot, and for the ID we have to use hashtag. Okay, so keep these things in mind because this will do a lot. If you don't use a dot, then it will affect your page. Okay, so the thing is, after the biography, we will go to the achievement section. And for the achievement, I have made an order list of achievements uh, so that create a it will not create a big fuss about the span or big fuss about the whatever the year he has achieved anything. So I have made every year achievements by using this order list. Okay, you can either use an order list also, but it is up to you. It is up to the viewer description how they are perceiving the web page. Uh, but I would recommend to use order list if you are a beginner, so that it will allow a viewer to go through the different pages, different section, and different things effectively by understanding each and every keyword or each and every number, so that he can easily go through the things. Uh, like these things we have to keep in mind uh, when we are when we are making some products for the viewers. Okay, so in the order list, I have made a span element and made it as a class achievement. So for the achievement class, there is a purpose. In the achievements, when we do styling in the achievement class, we will include some font weight to specify the date, to like put a weight on the put a weight on the year at which year he did something, at which year he got elected, at which year he became the first batsman to score the century. So yeah, these are the things that I have done using the span class achievement. So the main idea is behind this span is this, like I have to use some styling on these dates and on these steps also. You can do styling process. It's up to you. It's up to the viewer's point of view how they want to perceive your web page. So after the achievements, like I at the bottom of the web page, I have made some social icons like Twitter handle, Instagram handle, where the viewer might go through the links and get to the profile pages of Virat Kohli directly. So for these things, I have made an image SRC. For like Twitter logo, I have made a image especially for Twitter and for the Instagram itself. Using these images, like I have inserted also image Instagram logo. I have inserted this V crown for the tab, this X for the Twitter, and Virat Kohli photo also. Okay, so you have to include those things in your main file. And in the figure caption, to increase the readability of the user, to help user to understand the thing, you have to give proper figure caption or make a alt tab in the image tag itself. But you can either use a figure caption also. So for in figure caption, I have listed down the names of the icons that I have been using. So two things that I have been using is Twitter and Instagram. So I have written the Twitter and Instagram names. And for the social links, so that you can go through these links, will be written in the will be highlighted, and this highlighted sentence is due to this mark tag. These mark tags will make your sentence appear highlighted, or you can either choose any class and make it do a styling, some do some styling, do some uh, what you can say is add some colors, add some underlines when you hover through these links. Okay, and also I have given the inserted the link of his Twitter handle and of his Instagram handle through this href element. Okay, so now we have completed our HTML main body file. We will now go through the styling process. Also, in the styling process, first comes with body. So in the body, I have made font family as sans serif. I it I just created it as simple as, so that anybody as a beginner who wants to do who wants to step in web designing field, they can easily understand these things. Okay, so as per your choice, you can choose either font family and background color. But I mostly prefer background color to be white or black, of black sometimes, so that more the more casual you are, the more casual your web page, the more attractive it will be. Do not try to give full seven colors, full seven rainbow colors into your web page, because it will look very messy or not even attractive. It will look like a trash. So the thing is, make your website as clean as possible, and also readable by the users. Because the things, when you are delivering something to your customers, you have to be prepared in your mind, like, yes, I have to do these things, I don't have to do these things. So don't distract your mind from your motive. Okay, and the thing is, now comes the header file. In the header file itself, we have included the background color as black and the text color as white. So this is our header file, the header section, sorry, Virat biography. So the background color is of black and the text is white. And how I and to align our text at the center. So I have created a text align as center. That's why the Virat Kohli biography is seen in the center of the web pages. You can either align it in right side, it in left side. It's up to you how you can do these things. And for the navigation elements, I have made navigation as background color of black again, then text color as white, and also made a hover. When I go through these biography achievements, Twitter, Instagram, navigation elements, there will be a bar at the bottom of these words, like underline kind of thing. So yeah, when you click to the biography, you will directly go to the biography page. When you click through the achievement, you can directly go to the achievement section. When you click to the Twitter, you can directly go to the Twitter. When you click through to Instagram, you can directly go to Instagram. Okay, so these are the basic things that everyone knows. So now to our after hover that I have declared here, you can either make it as decoration as underline, even some color you can add, and or some thing that that it seems good to you. You can add directly. Okay. And in the container file, we made display as flex. So we made display flex because When a viewer is watching the same web page in the computer, it seems like this way. But when you are using in tab and we are using it, opening this web page in your phone, then it will look differently. So to achieve a flexibility as per the device convenience, as per the user demands, we have to make our display flex so that in any situation it can be handled, or it will look not so pale, so that yeah, it can be readable and it can be understandable and as per the device you are using. Okay, so that's why we need to use display. And if you are using your screen, laptop screen to view this web pages, then you don't have to use this display. If you are using only on your computer. Okay, so these things will you will study later after your basics. When your basics will get clear, you will study those things. And in the bio part, I have made background color again, border radius. I have put a border radius for this image so that this image will be inserted in that particular radius itself and not uh, go beyond our scope, so that it will be easily fitted at the left side of the page. So yes, these are the things that you need to keep in mind when you are creating a web page. For the image part, I have made maximum with 100% height auto for H2 UL for order list. You can also make for unorder list as well. Okay. And for the achievement, I have made font weight bold. I have already discussed this before. Okay. So I will not discuss it. And for the social icons that I have mentioned, the Twitter, the Instagram social icons I've been using. So I have made text and center again so that they will look at the bottom center in the pages. Can also change the alignment of the icons, okay, as per your convenience. Okay, if you're using too much of icons, and if you're using your email address and everything, contact support, then you have to maintain a proper title, proper bottom of the web pages. So for the image part, we have made a width 30 pixel and height auto. It's up to you how you are doing things. So for this Twitter logo, I have used a width of 30 pixels maximum, and for the Instagram also, I have made the same thing. In height, it can adjust auto as per you shrink the pages. Okay. For decoration, I have written none. You can either write something in the text decoration element if you want your text to be look more attractive, more fascinating to the user. But it's up to you again how you are doing things. Uh, Try to do things in a very simple manner you can do so that things will get easier to understand and the user can easily navigate through the web pages. So so we are now at the end of our session. So yeah, so this is my first task again for the Infosys Oasis Infobyte, and yeah, we will do some more projects in our upcoming days within this few months. So okay, thank you.